understand?
Yeah, I be having so many
Work which one?
in the back of the truck, everybody.
Cotton juice?
We got one Jimmy Dean.
What is that?
Cotton juice is the box.
What's up? What's up?
Man,
How you, Snap?
Oh, you see you working at Cotton Juice?
Motherfucker.
Oh, Hot and Juicy. Oh, all right. That's the name of the place. That's a real name?
It's a real joint.
That's a funny name.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Called Hot and Juicy. Shit, I needed that job though, man. Fuck that.
I know, that's good.
Get off these corners for a little while. So I can give you some real bread.
I'm recording everything, son.
Give you some real weight with these job checks.
Man, I'm gonna edit that
That's
shit.
how I'm gonna do it. You know, the minimum wage 15 an hour.
I'm recording. I'm recording now.
Yeah, I see.
All right.
Oh, you record?
Yeah. I'm gonna edit that shit out.
Sorry. What you doing? You doing shit?
This,
Hey, bro.
that's for YouTube, son.
How the hell are you?
Yeah.
Hard man.
I've been had one. I just don't got a good camera.
And then the ratio, man, it's up there with TCB play out on Sunday. Bravo. It's up there. On Sunday, you know, TCB.
No, you closer to the zoo.
Yeah.
Bravo. Yeah. With Bravo.
You been there though,
Yeah, that's 19 for Connecticut.
Yeah, you're right. You were definitely right.
at the top of Connecticut.
So right there where you at,
TCB
it's across the street from
that joint up. I went to Bravo one time. Man, they fucked that joint up.
It ain't cold, I put crap. See what I'm saying? Man, I'm drinking.
Time for me to, man, I'm about to be 30 years old, man. I'm trying to get on my shit the right way, bro.
You about to be 30?
Yeah, I'm out now to make money. I'm about to be 30.
I thought you was 30.
Things,
I thought you was like 50 years old or something.
Bro. I feel like it though. I've been out here for a long time.
You definitely
Who 42? You?
Front wheel lineman.
Yeah, I got old ass.
You? You 42?
I'm 35.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll be 30 this year. No kids and shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm always
Everybody look their age, DeMille. Everybody looks their age. Shit, I am though. Yeah.
How old is you, young nigga? 33? Oh, that motherfucker old.
Yeah. I'm 33.
All the fly shit. When I said they got some fly shit,
I'm about to get on all that shit.
Oh, you. I told you. See, I told you. You not. Now let me show you the power.
It's still on. So it's
4:30, right?
This stuff.
That might be your job. When I say that job fucked up, fucked up.
Yeah, that's probably my job. I'm
right there by the subway station. You know how you go to subway? There's a little school right there. Oh, okay. What's up, man? Hey, Johnny. What's up, Johnny?
I know he couldn't wait till it got warm.
What's up, boy?
A car hit you.
Looks like your hands are off. Oh, shit.
Damn.
Ask him.
Hey, boy, got me in that book. He looked just the ball. I was like, you bomb or something?
Days like
He like,
shit.
nah, you dazed,
Oh, he back in the
man.
house.
Hold up.
Yeah, you probably fucked up. You just gotta get that bike back.
No, mama, it's not
Probably dizzy as shit.
He's like, he fucked
Hey, you got a
up.
funnel? Funnel?
No,
Yeah, I got some fun.
Mommy, show you the power.
He talking
Get a
about
box.
putting
Get a, wait, you drunk the water?
Yeah, it's right there.
This nigga got smoking on his mind 24/7. Man, god damn, kid. That man got smoking on
Not
his
some funnel, a funnel.
No, that nigga said, yeah, with the shit. God damn, kid. Boy, you the funny motherfucker.
Can I take them breaks to get some money?
Nah, if it's not the first, oh, thank you.
Man, you the
If it's not the first time,
You only can take it and get new brakes. You
Right,
can't get no
man, you
money.
can't get nobody. A nigga tried to work with. She said, "Oh, baby, this
Stop,
ain't the our
nigga.
product right here." She said, "Oh, baby."
You said what?
You might as well
Where you get
take
them chips from?
You can't, I ain't replacing them. They ain't the our product. Whoever you got working on your car, they must.
not from the floor,
Them
right?
up on you, baby. Did
you get it from the floor?
See ours right here. Say third last. That one right there. I don't know what that is. You can have this back.
So where the brakes at? So where they at?
Nah, the nigga, not me. That nigga that was in
Somebody
there.
that was in it before.
Yeah, he was in front of me. He said, "Oh, this ain't it." He put hands in the box and everything, like they was all. He
Nate.
was already hip to that.
One of my friends gave you chips?
Man.
Yeah.
My folks, I was looking for somebody that's really official, but I done walked past this joint about 4 times, so I'ma definitely refer you, cause I don't see nothing but OGs around.
Where do I put this? Where do I put this?
3, 4, 5, 6,
Daddy, where do I put this?
You don't know
Daddy,
Yeah.
where do I put this?
Good, baby. What's up?
It's in the car.
Yeah, you don't know, you know how somebody call you, don't know the mechanic. They know you.
No. What's up with
He
you?
definitely is, man.
And it's the spec as I can see, so I definitely have
If you see one of us, like, yeah, I know the dude that work on cars, y'all call me, we can get a car out with.
Because all the good men know who he is.
Yeah, my good man right here gonna go get
But that shit don't be giving them discounts for nothing like that. You know?
Shit, you crazy.
He owe me big discounts. I done got some big jobs. All that shit is good for now when I get my own thing. Hey, go ahead do it.
That was
on
during the
arm.
slow season. The slow season
I
is
ain't
fucked
gonna
up.
never do it on arm, but then you gonna say the price. I'm gonna say, yeah, you know, I got you this, I got you that, I got you that. I'm just gonna
But you know how you can make money though? You know
$5.
how you can make money though?
What?
If you call
How many
somebody,
sales I done got you though?
if you call somebody and you give him a price,
Right.
and you ask me my price is my price.
No, I ain't gonna ask you. I'm just gonna
Nah, that's
tell
how
you
that's
what you gonna get.
That's how you make money. That's how you hire people.
Nah.
That
But when I
that
get
way.
you jobs, I get $5 off my next job. And I done got
Nah.
you 6 jobs.
Why would you do that when you
on
can make
30.
you can make over $100
I want you
per
to make
job?
your
Right,
money.
we want you to make the money. We just need
Yeah,
that
so when I-
$5 until
Oh, okay, I just want-
Off when I get my shit worked.
Oh, okay, just a little 10% off there here and there.
Like now,
Like
Y'all already
my
get that.
oil change for free. All
Y'all
the jobs
already
I
get
done
that.
got you.
Y'all already get that.
Yeah, we already be getting that. Stan be busting everybody out.
Shit, he ain't getting.
Nah,
He
I
never
get-
did mine since I. You know how long ago I had a Buick? I ain't gonna lie, he got me for my Buick, got me brakes all the way around for the low.
Yeah.
But guess I. You remember I had a? You don't even remember I had a Buick, do you?
Nah,
The one that got
It
stranded
goes
right there.
down.
The one that got stranded
That broke down
Oxon
on me
Hill.
on 210.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, see, he changed my brakes all the way around on that motherfucker for the low.
Yeah. See, y'all look out. That's good.
That was the last time he worked on my car, kid.
What the tone up?
Never worked on the truck.
That's because that car gave
Never
up.
worked on the other car before I had the truck or none of that
None of
shit.
that.
He just worked on the Buick.
Oh, fuel.
That's it.
Ain't touched the Volkswagen. I
He ain't never did that Volkswagen.
Ain't touched the Volkswagen.
I gotta cut this joint off now from what's about to happen.
Oh, you record everything.